As a corporate person, if you are doing corporate job, have you ever imagined to leave everything and start your online business using video making skill because of this uncertain time of coronavirus lockdown? But I know one person who left everything, as he have been traveling 200 days every year, and he have been helping people offline, thousands of people, but never thought to do something online. But because of this lockdown time, he thought, let me leave everything and do something online. And he started using videos, resources, video making skill, and he created his own online Swaraj. So I want to welcome that king of online Swaraj. His name is Ketan Gavan. So welcome Ketan Gavan for becoming a part of Hall of Fame and achieving 3,07,000 rupees in 70 days. And it's amazing for the starting, because when I started my journey, because I'm a transparent person and I have documented my whole journey. So for first one whole year, I was not even able to earn 1 rupees online. Okay. Money, you cannot compare with the money with online and offline. Okay, because when we start our journey, sometimes it becomes very difficult to earn even single rupee online. And I was so desperate for 1 year to earn my first 1 rupees, because that time I didn't have that right mindset, I didn't have right mentor in my life, and that's why I was keep struggling. But when we have mentor in our life, the way I had mentors, Siddharth Rasekar, Vic Strides, and different, my journey became fast. Likewise, even you have been learning from me and Siddharth Rasekar and all the mentors. So I would like to know more from your journey, because I'm not here just to talk about your success. I'm here to know more from your struggles, because that will help this audience who is watching the video right now. So make sure you watch this complete video, take a notepad, write down whatever the ideas you get, because when he's talking about some problems and solutions, it can solve your problems and it can help you to change your lives. So let's get started. So Ketan Gavan, I know your journey. I have been knowing you from last more than 5 months, right?
Right.
So now the audience want to know more about you, your backstory. So please introduce yourself in next 2 to 3 minutes.
Purushottam, I would like to share only one quote, which says that people don't change when they have options. People only change when they realize there is no other option. Okay.
That's
So
true.
when
That's true.
this Janta curfew happened, I suddenly realized that entire 2020, I will not be able to go out and start, my offline training, which I'm doing for last 10 years. And that's where, suddenly I realized that, when I have mentors like you, Siddharth, who have guided me for last 5-6 months, I can definitely take a plunge. And since there was nothing to do, literally in 2021 days, I created my entire course. 25th of April, I did my first webinar. And as I
Wow.
told you, in 70 days, I could clock that, 3,07,000 rupees just in 70 days because of your guidance.
Yeah, that's amazing. And that's what I shared before as well. That is difficult to, sometimes it becomes difficult, but when you have a right guidance, right mentors, then it is possible to avoid all those mistakes and go throughout the journey fast. Okay. Thank you so much for that. And now when you are achieving that 3 lakhs results, so what do you think? What is your next accomplishment? What do you want to do more? And also let us know about what you did, what kind of course you have launched.
Okay, wonderful. So, my first philosophy, Purushottam, is which is from Zig Ziglar. He always says that, you can get anything in your life what you want if you can just help enough other people to get what they want.
Awesome.
And, suddenly I realized that, I have launched my course in Marathi speaking market. Okay, I'm doing everything in Marathi. And I realized that there are a lot of things happening pan India in Hindi and English. People told me you can go globally, launch something in English, you can launch something in Hindi and start capturing Indian market. But then I realized that, nothing is happening as far as all these things are concerned in Maharashtra and in Marathi. And that's where, as you rightly said, I decided to establish my own Swarajya. I call
Wow.
it as online Swarajya
Yes.
in Marathi. And I'm just helping people to build their online brand with the help of concepts, which I'm sharing. And as you said, give me some brief onto that. I have a very simple, 6C formula. I talk about the first thing which you need in life is clarity. Okay, when the destination is clear, decisions are always automatic. So first you need to know where you want to reach, and I'm telling you, 98% of the people don't know where they want to reach. That's a big problem.
Yes.
Once you have clarity where you want to reach, then the second step what I teach is confidence. So you know where to go. Now let's talk how you will go there. Okay, so once
Yes.
you have clarity and confidence, the third step is consistency. Okay,
Hmm.
what you need to do every day. And I'm so happy, I got that idea from you. You do those morning rituals so regularly that now people keep getting that energy. So there are 7 personal rituals and 1 professional ritual. If you keep doing it every day for next 1 year, I can guarantee that your income and your self-worth will literally triple in 1 year. Okay, so
Wow.
we teach that, those consistency activities. Once that is clear, what is next point? The content. Okay, now people are expert in their area, but they don't know what is happening all around and what they can get and share with people. And as far as Marathi market is concerned, there are
Hmm.
so many things which you can do. Just get inspiration from whatever has been done in English. Start getting those things in Marathi, and you can help millions and millions of people. And that's what we are doing now. Okay, so next, the fourth C is content. Of course, the fifth one is camera. Okay, and I teach them how to make videos. Okay, taking
Yes.
guidance from you. How to make videos. And the final one is community. Okay, if you are able to build a community which is a self-sustaining community, where you are helping people to achieve their dreams and solve their problems, and you just keep growing that community organically, I think whatever you want to achieve online is possible. And that's how we are building this online Swaraj, Purushottam.
Wow, that's really great. And by knowing that, I can see the way you are guiding people. It's amazing. And by the way, let me tell you guys, we both have a same mother tongue, Marathi, and obviously, in my case, I'm doing all the courses in English. But by looking at you, I'm getting more inspiration, and I started making more videos in Marathi to help our audience. Okay, and let's do it more. But now, when you thought to leave everything, okay, let's get back to the problems now. When you thought to leave everything, there are two kinds of struggles we have. Okay, the first is the external struggles, okay, and second is internal struggles. So first, I would like to know, what are the external struggles you faced when you thought to do all these online things, as you have been doing everything offline? So what are the external struggles you faced, you were dealing with throughout the journey?
Absolutely. Purushottam, success creates a lot of struggle. People don't realize that, but when you
Yes.
start getting successful, I'm doing a training with 45 government departments. Maharashtra Police is one of my main clients. So almost 150 days I train Maharashtra Police at various levels,
Wow.
and plus there is a lot of government departments: income tax, GST, Mantralaya, BMC, BST. Okay, and
Hmm.
when in a year, if you are busy for 200, 220 days dealing with these kind of things, and you know that for next 3-4 years your calendar is already full, why do you want to do anything else? Because you are
Yes.
successful. You know that money is coming, everything is happening. You don't have to think anything else. Okay, luckily in October I started working with Siddharth, and I was building everything. Okay, then you came into my life in February, and I literally got inspired, the kind of work you were doing, and I was building it, but I was
Hmm.
never plunging. Okay, I was
Yes.
never plunging. My external struggle was my preoccupation with a lot of things. And
Hmm.
even when I want to do it, I could never get the time. Okay, if you ask me, my internal struggle is my comfort zone. When you
Hmm.
see that you you require X amount to run your house, you're
Hmm.
already getting 20X.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, so why the hell you want to do anything else? You are comfortable, you have taken care. Okay, plus with God's grace, there are not a lot of liabilities which I'm facing. I'm very down to earth, no car, no fashionable things, very grounded
Hmm.
spiritually. So money is not required, so why do you want to do anything else? Okay,
Yes.
but then I started writing, Purushottam, when I started writing my vision. Okay, my vision appear in my meditation that I want to help creating 1 lakh online Swarajyas or online brands in next 3 years. And then I realized, whatever
Wow.
I'm doing, I'm impacting 100 people in a training. Throughout the year, whatever I do, my impact is not going to be more than 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 people. And here is an opportunity. If I establish it properly, Okay, my online Swarajya community is already of 3,000 people, and it is not even 60 days old now. Okay, in 60 days we have created a community of 3,000 people. I can
Amazing.
see that, absolutely. If I'm able to build a community of 1 lakh people in next 1 year, I know that, whatever is there inside me, which is inspiring me, I can keep walking in that direction. So my external struggle was, my preoccupation, and my internal struggle was my comfort zone, Purushottam.
Yes, awesome. Thank you for answering that. And now a lot of people may be having this kind of problems. Maybe they're procrastinating because of the comfort zone. Okay. And maybe they think like, I have this, all the results and success. How can I change suddenly all the things? As you have already discussed about that, people don't accept the change directly, right? So the people who accept, the people who work on their updating their skills and knowledge, they will grow faster, and the same way you did it. But when you started the journey, where on what time you felt like the aha moment, wow, it's working, that's really amazing, and you started feeling like, I can achieve the freedom which I have been looking around on the internet world? When you got that epiphany, that aha moment?
When you started, Purushottam, you said that, that first rupee
Yeah.
gives you confidence that, if I can make one, I can make 1 crore. Okay.
That's
If
true,
I'm able
man.
to make that 1 rupee, I'll be able to make that 1 crore. One of my colleague, he launched his webinar on 18th of April,
Hmm.
and he called me in the evening. I'm counseling him, I'm guiding him, and he suddenly calls me and he tells me, I made 64,000 in first webinar. What? 64,000, okay? 16 students enrolled for his 4,000 rupees course. The course was not existing. Nothing was there. He just told everybody that 25th I'm going to launch the course. I went home. I told my wife, this is what has happened. She said, nothing doing. You are also launching it on 25th. I don't care. So I just burnt my midnight oil from 18th to 25th. 25th is my dad's birthday, 25th April. Okay. And
Yes.
on that day, I took my first webinar. And I said, it's okay. I just launched my course for 999. I said, people come, it's okay. People don't come, that's also okay. I just created an Insta module link and started it. And you will not believe, that evening, 40 people paid. I got 40,000 rupees in my hand.
Wow, that's
No course, no idea, nothing in hand, and suddenly 40,000 rupees. Now, next 7 days, another midnight oil burning, and 1st of May, I started my course. But when I got that 40,000 rupees, suddenly I realized I make much more money than that, every day when I train. But that 40,000 rupees gave me a sense that, Ketan, if you can achieve this, you can achieve
yes.
anything. That
That's
aha
the
moment was that, Purushottam.
awesome, awesome. And maybe right now, the people who are watching maybe have questions. Hey, what are you talking? How you achieved 40,000 rupees even without having your course? My friend, that's called pre-launch. So with your knowledge, because let's take an example. If you are a person who is not part of my community or not part of Ketan's community, not part of our video, mine is video making mastery course. So how people join video making mastery course? By looking into the course, or by looking to me or looking to him? So clearly, let me tell you, people will join based on how you present yourself, how you give them experience of your knowledge, and people will ready to pay, and then they have to experience the course. But if you go ahead and talk about what you are going to give to them, and you have a special offer, if you join before launching the course, people will become part of it. And that's called a pre-launch funnels and that things, and that we learn in gold and diamond membership we have in our community, right? Yeah, then.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely,
it was very important to clarify them, because otherwise people start commenting there that how he achieved without having course and all the things. That's why I thought to clear that. If you got this, then hit the like button. If you think that yes, I answered that question as well. And whatever you're learning, guys, please note it down. So let me ask you the next question. And what was the plan you have created to achieve these great results? Tell us something step by step, that when while you start, how you planned all these things. Okay, because you left the corporate and all the things, you came here. What was the first thought process when you thought about, okay, let me make videos? After making videos, after learning video making skill, and now you think about launching the course. So what was the thought process and the step by step things?
absolutely. I'll give that to you. See, the foremost thing, which we discuss, you, me, Siddharth, we always say, whenever you are planning to do something, you have to answer these three very simple, questions, and
Hmm.
then only your journey will start. And these three questions are: first, what is your designation? What you want to be known? Okay. Second, what is your community name? And third, what is your mission? Okay. So my mission is to create 1 lakh online Swarajya in next 3 years. My designation is online Swarajya Sarthi. That is the person who helps people creating that online Swarajya. And my community name is Mission Online Swarajya. So whoever joins that community, they are in a mission to create their online Swarajya. Okay. The moment I got this clarity, okay, then the next question I asked, so what is lacking? And as I told you, the 6 C's. Okay, these are the 6 C's, which are lacking for people. And then step by step, I started, creating that. Okay, so I had my, content ready since I'm in training for almost last 12 years. So creating content was not a big issue. I'm a master of PowerPoint, so I started creating that.
Yeah.
From 1st of May till 13th of May, every day in the evening, 6 to 7:30, I used to go live, take the training, record the Zoom recording. Next day, put it into Hub. Okay. First batch was learning the entire session. Okay. Then I sat, I edited whatever needs to be done. Then I edited and then loaded the course almost after 1 month into the system. But I was just, every day I used to, roj banao, roj khao. I used to deliver the session from that evening till the next evening. I will create the content. Then I'll deliver. I'll again upload and I'll keep doing that. So when I was doing that, I realized that, now people have a lot of confidence. Okay. I have already taken 3 success interviews like this in my community. I have Mr. Sanjeev Pendharkar, who's the founder and, who's the managing director of Vico Pharmaceuticals, which is a 500 crore company, Vico Laboratories. And he has launched his own online course for entrepreneurs, for budding entrepreneurs. Okay. So that also came. And then I realized that, now people have a lot of motivation. Now I have to give them an execution. So that's how I launched my level 2. Okay. And level 3, all, what Siddharth has taught us. So that those all courses will be there. So I have a very clear journey chalked out. Okay. This is a very important point, that from day 1 to 6 months, in 180 days, if people complete my all courses, all 3 courses, how they can start making lakh a month. Okay. That's the whole idea. And people have to be very clear in their mind about their customer journey. Okay. If they see your ad, what they will do. When they come into your community, what value you will add. When they come into your webinar, what you will present. Okay. So, as Russell always says, okay.
Yes.
It's a hook, it's a story, it's an offer. It's a hook, it's a story, it's an offer. So if you're able to have that plan clear, then things are very, very easy. But, strategically, that's where people struggle. And many people don't have that clarity. Once you have that clarity, everything is simple.
Awesome. That's great. So now the transformation, what was the, I have noted down that question. What was the transformation you experienced and how are you feeling right now?
Fantastic.
With this freedom lifestyle?
I'll tell you.
From home.
Yeah, working from home, home studio, everything is happening. The greatest transformation which I have experienced, Purushottam, is that, when I saw your, video making, used to, those, 30 videos, which you, 10 videos, which you used to say that, you have to make these videos at level 1. Okay. When the lockdown 2 started, suddenly I took a camera in desperation. I just recorded a 30-second video. I said, guys, if you want to learn video making, I'm going to teach you from tomorrow. And I posted that onto Facebook. And then I went back to my wife and said, I have declared, but I don't know what to do. I don't know how to, teach video making. So I just made up some questions, 6-7 questions, if you learn video making, what you will do first thing. Okay, that's a question. And then people started answering. And you will not believe, I just kept on doing that. Today was the 88th day where I'm posting 6-minute video every day. And when I look at my first video and my 88th video, I can see the transformation which has happened. I would have been never so comfortable talking with you, on this if I have not done those 88 videos. So massive value added. Okay. Second thing which I have started doing is every week I go Facebook Live, and generally my video reaches to 30,000 people every week.
Wow, that's amazing.
30,000 people are, reached with that. And once you have those, this is your actual, passive income. Yes. I'm sleeping, somebody is seeing that video, they come into my community, they enroll for my webinar, and that's how everything starts. So my mindset has changed. I have realized that the Gary Vaynerchuk book, jab, and then hook. You have to give 200% value, 1000% value. People should feel, that in free, if he's giving so much, if I buy his course, what he'll be able to give me. That's a
That's true.
first realization. And
Yes.
second, if you ask me transformation is always in system. Now I have 250 paid students. Okay. I have my
Amazing.
community, and I don't go to the community more than 30 minutes in a day. Rest all the questions of new people, whatever is everything is handled by them. The appreciation, the quality, everything is given by them. I don't have to get into it, because maybe in an initial stage I've given them so much that now they are capable to handle the things which are happening. So that's a greatest transformation which I'm experiencing, and I'm very happy for that, Purushottam.
Yes, that's
Thank
true.
you for
So
guiding me.
when you shared this, two things I want to share with people. The number one is that you didn't stop after 30 days of video making mastery. You kept making more and more and more videos. So this is what one message you all people, if you are already part of video making mastery and watching this video, you should not stop making videos after 30 days. Even though we have a course of 30 days, keep making more videos the way Ketan Gawan did. That's the first thing. And second thing, what he said is very amazing. Let me give you a different perspective on that video. When he said that when I'm posting my videos, it's reaching out thousands of people. Even average, it's reaching out 30,000 people, right?
Yes.
And people are coming, and he said a passive income kind of stuff. So from childhood, maybe people are reading that Rich Dad Poor Dad book, and we have been learning and knowing that we have to have assets in our life. Everyone know this. All the people who are doing job and whatever they're doing in their life, they at least know that we have to create asset. But how many of you are successfully able to create multiple assets? Comment below right now. Be honest. What do you think, Ketan? Most of the people are not able to do it, right? Building their assets. But here we have an opportunity where videos are digital assets.
Absolutely.
And that's what I wanted to share with people, that whatever you shared, it is like videos are digital assets, and that's how it is working for him. And people are continuously coming for his webinar, and he's sharing his knowledge, and people, those who are hungry, want to learn more from him, they are joining and they are paying for his knowledge. And that's how he's monetizing his knowledge and skills using video making skill. Isn't it amazing?
Absolutely.
Wow.
I would like to add something, Purushottam here.
Please do it.
I just said, I just tell people, even in my webinar, I said, whatever is your core competency, whatever is your unique ability, the area in which, you want to work,
Mhm.
just, create 52 questions which your customer wants to know. Every week, do nothing. Okay.
Mhm.
One good blog, convert that into a one good video, and then just convert it into a one good podcast. Just take out the music, convert it into podcast. Do it for next 52 week. Do nothing else. No political post, no filmy post, no religious post, no hatred post. Your social media profile should only talk about your expertise. If after 1 year, if I come and join your profile and look at all the things which you have done, I'll definitely consider you as an expert in that field. And now whatever questions I have in your field, I'll only come to you, because you have created that brand, that image in people's mind. And this is very easy, provided you consistently work on your passion. And if people are finding it difficult to work after 30 videos, which we do in Video Making Mastery, just ask yourself, what is your passion, what is your core area, and start making videos. I'll tell you, you will not stop till 1,000 videos. That much material is available, provided you're passionate and you're committed to your core expertise. That's very, very important.
That's true, man. That's really amazing to know all these points. I hope you guys note it down. And I would love if you put your takeaway points from whatever you learned from Ketan, from his journey, and whatever he shared. Please note down, and you can post complete whatever is your experience in the comment box. So, Ketan, now share more about your feelings and what other people thinking about. And because a lot of time what people think is what people are thinking about me when I make videos, because sometimes people start they making videos, they feel like nervous and not making videos. And most biggest fear, as you know, you are also making videos and you're also helping people to make videos. So now people have thought like what people will think about me. Okay, that is the biggest fear people have. But right now, what kind of experience you're having? Because maybe when you started, maybe you face like some people are not reacting, and maybe different perspectives people have. But what is right now, how everyone looking at you right now?
So I'll give you only two things, Purushottam, which actually I learned from you. I'm just reiterating that it is not my point. Okay.
Yeah.
So, whenever you're making video, the first thing you have to realize that the video is not for you.
Hmm.
What you know, you already know. So it's not going to make any difference in your life. So when you're making video, it is going to help somebody,
That's true.
and givers never worry. You are there to just, give things to people. So why should you
Hmm.
worry? That's the first thing. Okay. And second,
Yes.
very, very important, which I learned from Russell, Russell always says that you don't have to be knowing entire book. You don't have to know the whole book. You just have to be one chapter ahead of others, which are definitely in your own area. You just
Hmm.
share that, and by the time people understand that, you will be learning another two chapters. By the time they learn those two, you will be learning another four chapters. So you will always keep moving and
Yes.
keep sharing. Okay. And since you have passion, you already are expert in that area, just don't worry. More than 98% people in this world. Okay. Very, very important. And the last point which I want to give you. Okay.
Hmm.
World is lazy.
Yes.
World is absolutely lazy. Nobody wants to take a lot of efforts,
Yeah.
create quality content, create deep content which will give value. People
Hmm.
just want to consume content.
Hmm. That's
And
true.
if you become a person who is creating a content, and with the help of video, if you're reaching to people, you will be on the other side of the screen. 99% of the people are on this side of screen who pay for seeing things. You will be on that side, those 1% person who will start earning from making video. That's very,
Yes.
very important. So if you have these concepts in your mind, you're doing it for others. Okay, you are already ahead of others, and you are going to make a lot of money. Then your worry, fame, shame about making video will already go out.
Yes, that's true. So once people learn this video making skill, as we have more than 2100 members in video making mastery, so what message you would like to give it to them? Because there are some people who think, okay, I have been making videos, and they are skeptical when it comes to update their knowledge. As we have gold membership, first video making mastery is a silver membership, then we have gold membership and diamond membership. You already have experience of gold and diamond membership, because even we have our mentor Siddharth Rashikar into that. So what
Right.
is your experience about that, and what are your thoughts to tell people, those who are just in silver membership, who sometimes think maybe I will should become a part of gold and diamond, but they're still skeptical? And what are your message about all those people who are behind you right now?
Absolutely. See, I'll tell you only one thing. This is one of my favorite quote. I always say that in a confrontation between water and a rock, water always wins, not because of the strength, but only because of consistency.
Hmm.
So if you are consistent, okay, I'm pretty confident that in a month, whatever you have to learn from silver membership, you've already learned it. And then you'll suddenly start feeling, now what next?
Hmm.
Okay. And I can guarantee you that in silver you are learning 30 to 35%. Okay,
Yes.
you are only understanding and learning what to do.
Yeah.
When you
Foundation skill.
move to, yes, when you move to gold, it is how to do. And when you move to diamond, it is let's do it.
Yes.
So if you want to reach that level, I think just forget about it. Okay, the total amount will not be even 1,500 rupees per month. But if you really want to make 1.5 lakh rupees per month, okay, so if I made 3 lakh 7,000 rupees in 70 days, you can understand what kind of money I have made just by implementing and understanding these things. If you're not going to invest in yourself, then it is going to be very difficult to grow. Okay, all the problems in your life are because of your current mindset and mentality. And if you're not going to change it and move to the next level, then you will never be able to solve those problems. So you need right mentors, right guidance, and that level. Okay, at the base level, Purushottam will not be able to give you all those things at that level. It requires a certain quality, a certain commitment. So if you feel that you have that, just move to the next level and keep growing. That's the only message I'll give.
Awesome, awesome. That's great. And you have been taking massive, inspired, imperfect actions, and you can see the results, because the people who take actions and those who believes in investing in themselves, definitely they grow faster. Because in my case, grow faster while other people were just looking and sometimes thinking, should I make a decision or not? But I kept investing in myself, having right mentors in my life, and this is how we're growing fast. And people who are looking at us, maybe looking at you, people say, wow, Ketan, you did so fast. But they don't understand, hey man, I invested in right mentors, and I invested to learn more new things from the people who are doing it actually right now. So thank you for sharing your all experience and whole throughout the journey. And it was great talking with you, Ketan, and looking forward. And definitely, we will do the next interview when you achieve 50 lakh. Okay.
Thank you. Tatastu.
And then we
Tatastu.
can do
Thank
for
you
the
so much.
1 crore, because in my case, I have been able to achieve around 57 lakh right now. So once I will achieve 1 crore, I hope you should become and go ahead of me as well. And that will make me so proud that whatever you actions you're taking, because the way you are growing faster, that's amazing, amazing, amazing.
Thank you.
So
Thank you. Thank you,
you can
Purushottam.
give a last one message for the people, and then we'll conclude this session, and people will start typing whatever they are learning from this session right now. Go ahead.
So from my experience, no, will tell you only, all the people, I'll tell you only one thing. Okay. If you really want to grow, you need three things in your life. Okay. You need right mentors, you need right environment, and you need
Hmm.
right action.
Yes.
And video making mastery will give you right guidance, will give you right environment. The
Hmm.
only thing which is missing is right action, which you have to start taking, and nobody can stop you from growing.
That's true. And we have already given what actions to take. It's just that they have to take action.
Take action, absolutely.
Yes, really, really amazing. So definitely, I'm looking forward to see your more results, and looking forward to do one more this kind of interview with you to share more results with all the people. So thank you so much. God bless you, and have a great time. So guys, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I have given his link below to this video. If you want to have know more about him, you can go ahead, check him, and let's help each other and grow together. Let's do
Fantastic.
it.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Yeah,
so
man.
much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
man. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, bye.